In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Carnival Cruise gift card. Whether you're planning a trip for yourself or surprising someone special, these gift cards are an easy way to cover a cruise booking, shore excursions, or onboard spending like dining, drinks, and souvenirs. Start by going to the official Carnival gift card website. Take a quick moment to make sure you're on the real site before you enter any payment details. Once you're there, look for the button that says Buy Gift Card or Shop Now and give that a click. This takes you straight to the purchase page. Next, choose the type of card that fits your needs. If you want something tangible to wrap or include in a card, pick a physical gift card. It's mailed to you and is great for gifting in person, but keep in mind it will take some time to arrive. If you need it fast or prefer convenience, choose an e-gift card. That one is delivered by email, usually within minutes, which is perfect for last-minute gifts. Now select the amount you want. You'll see common denominations starting around $100 and going up to $1,000 or more. Pick what works for your budget and your plans. If you're covering a larger portion of a trip, you can buy more than one card. Just adjust the quantity before you add it to your cart. Enter the recipient details. Add the recipient's name, and if you selected an e-gift card, carefully type the email address so it arrives in the right inbox. You can include a short, optional message to personalize the gift. Take a moment to review everything so there are no typos. Add the card to your cart, then either sign in or continue as a guest. When you're ready to pay, enter your credit or debit card information and complete checkout. For e-gift cards, keep an eye on your email. Delivery is typically instant or within a few minutes. If you don't see it, check any promotions or spam folders just in case. For physical cards, watch for it to arrive by mail and store it somewhere safe until you gift it or use it. When you're ready to use the gift card, you can apply it toward a cruise booking, pay for shore excursions, or add the balance to your onboard Sail and Sign account for spending during the trip. Treat the code like cash and keep it secure. That's it. Buying a Carnival Cruise gift card is quick, flexible, and a thoughtful way to make vacation planning a little easier. Enjoy and happy sailing.